behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go!
Here in the autonomous period, we have all three red robots moving, all three blue robots moving, Citrus Circuits and the Bird Brains. We talked about that synergy. They each score one on the reef as here comes a second one from the Citrus Circuits. 95-84 also managing to score one for blue. This looks to be auto RPs all around. Citrus Circuits have already switched onto the other side of the reef now as they're grabbing that algae and scoring it up and into the barge. 7-7, 7-7, going deep now across the field, looking to play some defense once again. Let's see what they can do. They have to slow down the Blue Alliance. The Boba Bots and everyone there is certainly a threat. Citrus Circuits now getting some really good human player cycling onto the floor, and then the ground intake grabbing the coral and scoring it up onto the reef. We look to be having maybe a cooperation happening here as the Bird Brains need one more algae to score into that processor. The Blue Alliance, though, certainly doing their part, showing that spirit of cooperation as they look lined up and ready to shoot that into the processor. That will score them 6 points. As that algae goes in, it's now got looking like a clean reef for the Citrus Circuits as they're timing their shots and ready to line them up. Red Alliance with a strong lead here as their human player scores another algae up into their reef via the processor from blue. The Blue Alliance, unfortunately, having the Boba Bots disconnected here, maybe needing a robot reboot, a code reboot. Our FTA is in the box. Red Alliance looking strong here. Citrus Circuits scoring up high again. They do have the 3 out of 3, so we have another Coral RP for the Citrus Circuits as foul flags are getting waved here. Blue Alliance contacting in an inappropriate zone location as the Citrus Circuits keep missing, though. They do have plenty of coral scored, so maybe it's now time to go for the... With 20 seconds remaining, Citrus is lining up at the deep cage. And very interestingly, utilizing their human player at the processor to give them feedback as to how well lined up they are. And they do hook in and climb. With 7-7, 7-7, also joining them in the barge zone for the park. Red Alliance might be running away with another 6. Our smash goes Red Alliance. 142 to 73, as Red Alliance does get 5 ranking points, getting the auto and the barge, but not quite the reef